Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys shortcut setting. And today video title is guys how to reboot oppo mobile, how to restart oppo mobile, one by one, step by step, and we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, you want to restart your oppo mobile without use any button, volume and power button without use. You want to restart your oppo mobile, how to restart oppo mobile with shortcut setting. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. So friends, in your oppo mobile, scroll down here and open your device phone additional setting. After turning on phone additional setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. So friends, in your oppo mobile, tap here accessibility setting, talkback select to speak setting you can use. Then scroll down here, mono audio switch access setting, press power button to end call setting, time to take action setting you can use in your oppo mobile. So then we will tap here accessibility menu setting, and your accessibility shortcut button menu setting is off. First of all guys, you will have to turn on your accessibility menu shortcut setting. Friends, you can see menu to have full control of your device. Okay option, click here. Friends, after turning this accessibility menu setting, right side you can see this man icon and three dot. So let's tap here this man icon and three dot. Assistant setting, accessibility setting, mobile power off setting you can use. And friends, you want to restart your oppo mobile, so let's tap here power off setting also. Swipe down, your phone will power off. Swipe up, your phone will restart. If you power off your phone, so you will have to press button, and if you restart your phone, so friends, you can see automatic your oppo mobile will off. After 4 and 5 minutes or seconds, your phone will on 5 4 3 2 1. So like that friends, you can reboot and you can restart your oppo mobile without press any button. 15 seconds, 20 seconds, your phone will on automatic friends. So like that friends, you can use oppo mobile phone restart setting. You have any pattern password, pin password, enter your password, unlock your phone, and you can use it. First of all guys, open your phone manager application app and clean your phone. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.